Hey everyone, I'm going to attempt to paint, well, right now, live, this pumpkin. And I kind of changed my mind because I was noticing that it's really trendy now to have white pumpkins, and it's so very shabby chic and pretty that I think I'm gonna attempt to paint in these colors. So let's try to do this live, and here we go. Here I'm on my terrace, and here, just give you a little peek. A little bit of a cloudy day, but it is October. I do have orange there, but I'm not going to worry about that. I'll just paint over it. I think I'm going to start with the highlighting, no, not highlighting, the shading. I'm going to start with this warm gray. And so let's attempt this. I'm going to use this acrylic brush here. See, that's a little bit bigger than the lines, but I kind of want that because I'm trying to be a little bit looser with my painting. So here I already prepared my palette. This is the warm gray, very beautiful color, great for shading. Okay, so here we go. So I'm just gonna go over the lines, but really at this point, it doesn't matter. There was her hand, but again, I'm going to go over it all after, so I'm really not worried at this point. That's basically it. So now I could, you know what, yeah, I'll rinse out my paint a little bit, but I don't have to go crazy. Now I'm going to go with this ivory white. I love ivory white. It's sort of like a beige, I would say. Yeah, beigey. So then I'm kind of going over like a little bit on the shading part here. This is her sweater, but you know what? Whatever. I'm gonna just paint over it. I'm gonna block the color out. There we go. That's her sleeve. Just so I have an idea what to paint. I'm gonna go over that pumpkin now again with the, what's it called again? Yeah, ivory white. Let's go. So here, okay, I'm just like sort of blocking in the color. And you know what? I am being a little bit messy, but like I kind of want that look. I kind of want it to be sort of that, you know, dab, dab, dab. I think it gives a painting a much nicer effect. Okay. All right. Now, okay, I see that the shading is kind of underneath, so I'm going to take a little bit of that warm gray again. Sort of now, I'm just going to dab, dab, dab. See how it's all blending in? Can you guys hear me okay? Okay, so now curved lines. To create that, you know, curved, you know, the curves in the pumpkin. Dab, 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 dab. Here we go. Here we go. I think I'm gonna do like pink hair on her, like very light, sort of like a warm pink. This is gonna be like a shabby chic pixie girl. What do you guys think? Should I do shabby chic? I'm all about shabby. Okay. Now, all right. I'm gonna wait. Here, let's just blend it in. I haven't added any paint to my brush. I'm just like blending it in. Blend, blend, blend. Blend, 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 blend. There we go. Kind of all works out in the end. Okay, it's kind of looking grayish now, but I'm not worried because I'm gonna wait till it dries just a tiny bit, and then I'm gonna go over it with my ivory white again. Now this part here, on the stem here. This is sap green. I love sap green. Sap green is this color here, okay? But I'm not gonna go like totally sap green. I'm going to mix it up with, let's see. I think I'm going to mix it up with the ivory white to lighten it a bit, because this is a shabby chic pumpkin. So mix. And you know what? When you're mixing colors, I learned you have to kind of like, you know, not mix it totally. It doesn't have to totally be blended perfectly, just sort of like messy it up a bit, like that. See, it's all muddled together. Okay, so let's just dab in the color here, just a little bit here. Now. I'm going to, all right, let me change my brush here. And I'm going to put in, I'll start to add a little bit of, okay, so I'm going to add this ivory white, just like more towards, like in the middle of each rounded part. I'm going to drag my brush sort of like towards, gosh, I'm not going to make straight lines, I'm going to make curved lines. Yeah, that's what I want to say. Now I'm going to reach for a little bit of titanium white. Titanium white. It's very opaque. I'm a little bit reluctant to use it just yet, but yeah, you know what? I'll do it. So I don't know if you know, but there are two different kinds of whites. You probably already know it, but I'll just explain to you. Why not? So titanium white is very thick, very opaque. Then there's this like zinc white, which is transparent. So what is the difference? Well, if I use the zinc white now, actually, you know what? I think I am going to use the zinc white. It will add a little bit of highlight, but not as opaque. You see how it blends in? It's white, like it does add a little bit of white tinge, but it's not as opaque as if I were to put the titanium white. All right. Now show you if I added the titanium white now. Okay. Here we go. If I just add it, see? It almost, it's very, very white. I don't know if you can see that, but maybe it for now, I guess. So the eyes, I think I want this to be like a very soft, you know, pixie fairy. So, you know, the hair is going to be sort of like a warm pink. So I think I'm going to make the eyes sort of like a warm grayish. Yes, that will go really nice with the pink. So I will go again with, start with the dark color, warm, like a warm gray. Again, I'll just sniffling nose. Oh no, my tea's inside. I'm drinking tea today, not my usual cappuccino. Okay. There we go. Again, I'm missing a color. Ooh, this seems like a disaster right now, but trust me, it will pull all together when I'm done. Put away the eye. You know what? I'm just gonna, not afraid. I learned a long time ago that it's just paint and just, you know what? Be messy. Messy. It feels good even. Dab. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to speed things up. I'm going to do a little bit of time lapse. Stick around to the end where I'll show you the completed pixie. So thank you so much for staying this long. I really, really appreciate it.
guys, so I finished painting my my autumn pixie and my white pumpkin, and I stopped filming and I just started finishing it up in my studio because it started to get cold outside. So I'll just show you the finished product, and I'll just explain a little bit of what I did. Bye. So my little pixie is out here under the olive tree. Okay, so I added a flower here. I changed this up a little bit. I put yellow flowers here. I added 3 flowers there. I added a background, and I sort of just blended the colors in like that to give it a soft look. I added shade into the face, some eyelashes, and really wanted to highlight how I paint white. And I actually, for the sweater, I used the same technique as I did the pumpkin. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.